So Mandela says the day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. Okay, symbolized means it was like a symbol which he would never forget. So Mandela says, I would never forget this day because today two national anthems were sung. The vision of white singing Nkosi Skelel E Africa and the black singing Die Stem and the old anthem of republic. So Mandela says this day, the inauguration day, he would never forget. Okay, means 10th May he would never forget because today two national anthems were played and sung by the people. One was for the blacks and one for the white. Means the song of blacks was Die Stem and the song of whites was Tikosi Skelal e Africa. Okay, although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised, we can say, had a very low opinion of or hated. Okay, so earlier they hated the song of blacks, actually this Die Stem song, but they would soon know the words by heart. So what is the meaning of these lines? Mandela says both the races, whites and blacks, didn't know the lyrics, didn't know the wordings of song Die Stem. Okay, because initially whites hated this song. Whites were not we can say permitting the blacks to sing this song. Okay, blacks were not allowed to sing this, but that is why today nobody knew the lyrics of this song. Okay, both the groups did not know how to sing this song, but Mandela was sure that one day they would surely learn this by heart. They one day they would surely learn this properly, this song. Okay, national anthem of blacks. One on the day of inauguration, I was overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means over emotional or overflowed, okay, with the sense of history. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the Anglo-Boer War, before my own birth, the white-skinned peoples of South Africa patched up their differences. Okay, patched up means finished the fight. Okay, and erected a system. Erected means build a system of racial domination. Domination means control of one race over other, okay, against the dark skinned people of their own land. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest means very strict, most inhuman means which is very unkind, okay, societies the world has ever known. Okay, now in the last decade of 20th century and my own eighth decade as a man, this system had been overturned. Overturned means here overturned means finished or abolished, okay, forever, and replaced by one that recognizes the rights and freedoms of all the people regardless of the color of their skin. Okay,